Okay, next we are going to develop the concept of what a tundra is. So what I'd like you to do is here's your population density Freyer. We're going to flip the page to the next side on the left side. We're going to get it set up to watch a short video, about 4 minutes, about the tundra biome. So you're going to title this page video, Intro to Tundra Biome. So go ahead and do that. If you want to pause the video real quick and copy down that title, you can. So a biome is, it's a large, like naturally occurring community of flora and fauna, which is plants and animals in a habitat. So it's all the plants and animals that naturally live in a particular habitat. So we're looking at today the tundra biome. I would like you to create an H chart, please. And so in the first column, you're going to be jotting down some notes about the climate, and that would include things you hear about the temperatures and about the precipitation, the moisture that falls. In the middle column, you're going to be making a list of different plants that exist in this biome. And in the final column, you're going to be making a list of different animals that live on the tundra. So go ahead and pause the video and set up your left side to look just like mine. So as you watch this video, it has lots of information, and a lot of the information will appear on writing in the screen as well. You can also, if it's available, you can turn on the closed captioning so you can see the script as it goes. As you're watching it, when you see something that goes in your chart, go ahead and pause the video and record the information that you need and then resume. But you should be able to get quite a lot of things out of the chart if you pause the video and do it that way. So you're going to go back to your instructional document for today and click on the link to the video about the Intro to Tundra Biome. And as you watch, see how much information you can gather related to these 3 topics in the tundra.